I did it!
You did it. Success.
I did one of them, and it did lock. You're right. Woo! That was weird. I made sparks everywhere. Okay, so what are we doing?
What's the plan?
Plan is to use the panel, this panel and that panel, and some hardware cloth and some plastic netting.
Netting around the outside.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna make it 9 feet wide and 9 feet long. No, 9 feet.
9 foot high and 6 foot wide.
Right? No, it's gonna be 3 feet tall. What was it? Not 30. It was 34 inches.
Yeah, it'll be 34 inches
So
by 9'4".
And 9 feet long.
9 feet 4 inches.
Yes. So here we go.
Yeah, so we'll cut it up and get it going.
So all this round wire, it wants to roll up all the time. So I just put a board underneath and a board on the top, and that helps keep this flat so that it's not trying to roll up while I'm trying to cut it. So it's a really handy little tip so that we can cut it without it rolling all over the place. All right, I set up for the next one. Where's my mark? There it is. Okay, good to go. All right, next step.
Bending hardware cloth. It's been upside down. I'm bending hardware cloth so that, because this is just an old barn, part of this will go on the ground, like this. So the bottom, we'll put the panel here, and this will go up the side of the panel just to, it's my security.
Keep things from trying to crawl in or dig in underneath.
Yes, yes. It's my fear. We've had too many chicks and chickens.
We have a lot of snakes.
Snakes and whatever.
Try to keep the predators out.
Predators. Stand on the board and bend the wire. These boards come in handy when you're working with hardware cloth.
Yeah, and gloves. This stuff's really sharp.
Yeah, these gloves. And I'm wearing a mask because it's so dusty in here and my allergies are going nutso. So that's why the mask and the sniffles. Okay, so we got that just about done and
ready for the next piece?
just about. Just kind of
finish bending it a little bit.
Finish bending it a little bit, and that's my.
And then we'll show you when we put it in place.
Yeah, better how my weird brain works. Okay, that one done. Oh shoot, it won't go in.
Why will it not go in?
Guys, look.
Because the
nubbin. The
metal's
metal
too
nubbin.
big.
Yeah, because of that. There'll be a bunch of them you're going to do that too, or we could just take it out and cut all these little nubbins off. Do you have a second one out here?
Yes.
So
You don't want to start at the end though, right?
no, I
Why?
want because this is too long. I want to see how much overlap we got. Here's the other
here's
one
the other
right
one.
here.
Yeah, we decided that we would put these on out here instead of trying to deal with them in there on the ground. So it should be easier.
Got them all in the same line or not?
I think so. Okay. There's one.
Now,
Alright, so we got the 3 sides set in. We'll grab the other end and we'll pull the front in place. We have the same problem on this one though. We're going to have to fold this. You want to fold it first?
yep.
You got to fold the ends where the hardware cloth
Yeah, you
overlaps so that the panels will go in place.
Ouch.
What do you call it?
Origami.
Origami of the hardware cloth?
Origami.
And then we're going to zip tie all the corners and stuff together. That should do it. Just enough to keep it out of the way.
Falling over on me. Okay.
Alright, this.
Wait. Don't fence me in.
Coming out first. Okay. Be easier if that one goes over this one, so or you can push the. There we go. So that one I've been putting it
Can I-
through the hole.
This foot is, I'm gonna hammer it, okay? Oh, sorry.
Don't mind those troubles. This should be fine.
Got some more. Wait a minute.
So we have this plastic mesh that we use for birds. It cuts easily with scissors, so we're just going to cut it right down the seam. All right, so let's see if we have this squared up, measured corner to corner now. You'll put that in that corner right there. $122. 122. We're good. Now, gotta do the zip ties for hinges on the back side.
Monkey boy.
So start with one on the end.
Right here?
Yep.
Hi guys. She officially came in. Did you hear him? All quiet.
They've already been fed to keep them quiet, but otherwise they just talk to us all day, you know? The board of directors, there's always...
Oh look, Donkey's trying to get on some more hay. I'll give you some before I go.
All right guys, so we completed it. So it is 9 feet, 4 inches long. It is 4 feet wide. We have the plastic mesh on it. We put the hardware cloth around the bottom. It's about 6 inches on the inside and about 6 inches on the outside. We put the zip ties along the back to use as hinges so we can easily open and close it, just like so. So very inexpensive. We had all this material laying around the farm, just spare parts from different projects, and so that went pretty well for an afternoon's project. I'd say we did all right. So again, we're doing this coop to give us more space for the pullets.
Peek at the pullets.
Peek at the pullets. Doing a little brooder there. We have another set coming, so we're going to have more space for those guys.
Hard to see them without opening it.
All right, so that project
What are you gonna put in it?
is
Well,
done.
Pretty awful.
Yeah, we're going to, in the bottom of it, we're going to put some cardboard down in the bottom, then we'll put some wood chips or wood shavings down, our carbonaceous diaper, and then we'll have the wood shavings. We'll have the pine shavings put on top of that, and then the chicks will be able to go in there, the pullets. Hopefully they'll get some feathers this week and be good to go. So. All right, who did this? Come on, somebody speak up. You're not quail. This is not an acceptable egg.
It's all right. We had an off day.
Come on, ladies. We can do better.
What color is it?
25 eggs and a tiny little white one. Whitish, not white?
Kiwi. Oh, that's what I call white.
White to me. It's hard to tell in that bright sun.